Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today's craft would be decorating the candles, and I got these candles from Dollar Tree and they're available any time of the year. And this is actually a glitter ribbon that I got during Christmas time, and these are the glue sticks I'm going to use, and glue gun and a scissor. And let's start the video. And what I'm going to do here is going to cut both sides of the ribbon, and I just want the inner part of the ribbon, and then I'm going to stick it to the candles, and I'll show how I'll do it. I just measure the circumference of the candle, and I'm going to cut the trims, both sides, the harsh trims, so it actually helps me stick to the candle easily. And basically what the plan is to stick to the candle like this. That's just the one layer here, and then I'm going to stick on top another one like that, removing the trims. So let me cut the second half. Now this is actually I can mark it, use that as to measure the length, and I'm going to do the same, cut the trims. So it's going to be like this. And then on top it's going to be like this. So basically your candle will be like a glitter candle, end of the project. And then I'm going to cut the raw edges and make it smooth out, and I'll show you how it'll look after it is being stuck. And these are the completed candles, and I stuck the glitter ribbon, and then I also had this glitter glue that I actually pasted inside to give the shiny look. When it dries, it gets like a shiny glitter on the top and also inside. And the raw edges, I wanted to cover it with Dollar Tree stickers. Yes, I got it from Dollar Tree, gemstone stickers. And this is what I'm going to show you how I did by fixing the other one. So this is the raw edge. I don't want that to be shown, so I'm covering that with the gemstones, and so like that. And this is the final product, and after sticking the gemstones, I'm going to turn the candle and show you how it looks, how it glows. And I'm going to put like this one of my candle stands that I prepared with Gallerie inspired. If you'd like to know how to prepare these candles, I will make a video for that as well. And this is how I'm going to decorate near my fireplace. And this is how the final product should look like, guys. Hope you liked it. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.